Hey there, thanks for checking this out. I am Janki. Today I am excited to explore what the S Pen has to give me. Join with me as I create wonders using this pen. In this video I will talk about what are the features of S Pen, how to enable and customize it. The S Pen is included in the accessories when you buy a Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. If you are excited to know what lies in Galaxy Tab, check out my previous video of unboxing Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. A useful function of the S Pen is Air Command. This creates a small icon on the screen and can be clicked on to expand and show S Pen features and functions. If Air Command doesn't appear when you activate the S Pen, you may need to switch it on. Go to Settings, Advanced Features, S Pen, Show Floating Icon, toggle it to on. This creates a floating icon. You can click on it to expand. Method number 2. Go to Settings, Advanced Features, S Pen, open Air Command with Pen button, toggle it to on. Now double click, it works. Let's check it again. Oh, it works. Activate the S Pen by hovering over the floating icon or quickly press the S button twice. Let's look at the first functionality. Notes. Write something and save. Go to Air Command, create a note, select the transparency icon, increase or decrease as per your requirement, write something, and continue with your lecture.
She model which gives the accuracy and prediction of the sentiments of people on further announcement of lockdown.
If you want to play with colors while noting, go to Create a Note, Pen button, change background. You can change the background according to your choice till it merges with your text. We can also highlight keywords to distinctly identify them from the normal text. Write something, change style icon, change color, highlight text, and save. Slow at typing while noting down? Try converting handwriting to text with a few clicks. Write something, convert to text, and convert. Are you comfortable using one type of pen while noting down? And you don't want to forget its look and feel texture? Add it to favorites. Go to Favorite Pen, star the pen, and check your collection. You can also test different combinations of markers. Go to Collection, plus button, and add. Can't fill up the broken lines in handwriting or missing out on some fine details? Zoom in up to 300%, fill in the details, and zoom out up to 70% for a wholesome view. Let's move to next feature. Screen Write lets you capture a screenshot and write on it. Also, you can share it. If you want to write a handwritten message and text it to a friend, go to Messages, select Handwriting to Text Converter, type recipient's name, type a message, and there you go. Send it. Live Messages lets you add lively content to a still frame. Go to Live Message, select a picture from gallery, choose markers and colors, draw, test, and share. Smart Select lets you select only a portion of screen. Highlight keywords and share. You can also save the image to gallery. If you want to translate, open Air command, select Translate, pick a language, and hover the S pen on the word. Let's check out something in Spanish to English. With the Air command, we can also write on the calendar. S Pen is a great tool for coloring and filling the details. Zoom in and fill in the minute details. Pick colors from a wide range of palette. Also play with markers and brushes. Let's check out PenUp. PenUp is a collection of drawings from different people across the world. You can check out the challenges, upcoming challenges, past challenges, winners. There is a live drawing contest in which you can participate anytime, and the coloring one which we just did previously. Tap the blue button. We can choose to do a new drawing or to select a picture from gallery. Let's select it from gallery. Select a portion of the picture. Oh, it's changing colors. Let me show you. A yellow color. If you like this video and want to get more updates, subscribe to my channel. In the next video, I'll be showing something cool. So stay tuned. Take care. Bye.